Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lerny. How you doing? It's another slay day. Today I'm giving you this full face makeup tutorial. Serving you some pinks, some reds, and oh, the glow. The glow. You're welcome. Kindly remember to click on the subscribe and bell buttons for notifications anytime I post a video, and also leave a nice comment and like this video. Thank you. Love you. So now that the intro is out of the way, let's play. Hey, hi skin. How are you, skin? I'm first moisturizing my skin. So the steps I do before I apply my makeup are to moisturize, to prime, and to illuminate. So I'm priming now using my Dr. Brand primer. I'm just going to push that into my skin using my Rosé Beauty sponge. And then I'm going to show you my skin and how it looks after moisturizing, priming, and illuminating. I'm going to go on my car mix. Of course, you have to moisturize your lips so your lips don't look dry and flaky, okay? So I'm using this Rosé brow set. You already know my brow steps. I'm just going to outline the top and the bottom and top, however, and then fill it in and just comb through to blend my brow hair with the pencil. I already concealed my brows. I'm going on with this Huda Beauty foundation. Every product I use is going to be listed in the description box, so kindly check it out. I love the Huda Beauty foundation because the coverage of this foundation is just amazing. I mean, and the concealers as well. The concealers also have very good coverage. And you notice that I'm not swiping off my skin, I'm beating it into my skin. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty concealers in chocolate chip and peanut butter. Yeah, so I'm just going to first contour, and then I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks and then my forehead. So the whole idea of contouring is to give your face structure, right? It's to just snatch that face up. So I'm blending my contour in. I'm using again my Rosé Beauty sponge to just make sure that that contour is beat in because we don't want any harsh lines. I'm going to highlight under my eyes, cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, forehead, and chin. You know, all the places that light naturally hits on your face, that's where you highlight. So after highlighting, I'm going to blend and see the coverage of this concealer. It just almost immediately takes out my Gucci under eye bags. Yes, Gucci. My left eye has Gucci under eye bags. My right eye has Dior under eye bags. I'm going in with this Abby's powder in NC6 to just set my contour. So you have to set every cream with a powder. Okay, so wherever you use a lighter foundation, you use a lighter, concealer, you set it. Wherever you use a darker concealer, you also set it with darker powder. So I'm setting wherever we highlighted with my Huda Beauty powder. This is in Kunafa, and the powders are so finely milled, they almost immediately seep into your skin. Now I'm pushing it into my skin and I bake just under my eye, and see that finishing. Oh, it's just I don't even have words. So with this red beauty palette, I'm just going to use two shades out of the palette, this burnt orange shade and then the baby pink shade in there. So I'm just blending my outer V and then into my crease, and then just making sure to blend out any harsh lines. And I'm going on my benign clown white, and I'm finger blending. I love finger blends because they just do the job for me. Okay, if you want a seamless eyeshadow look, finger blends work. So I'm going in with the pink shade now, and then I'm just going to press it into that benign clown white just to make sure that I'm just making sure I get every corner. And I'm just going to go in with the brush that I used to blend the orange. No product is on it, I'm just blending in between. Then I'm going in with my So Aesthetics eye products. I'm first using their Sheba black kohl liner for my waterline, and then their liquid liner to just line the length of my lid. Now I'm using the Cute lashes, and I'm going to use my Red Beauty mascara first to nicely coat my lashes, give it some length and volume before I pop on my falsies. Now I'm just going to pop these falsies on. I have how to fix lash video. Is really old. I may do an updated one, but lash fixing is quite easy if you practice. I'm just going to make sure that the lash sits properly on that liner and as close to my lash line as possible, and I'm going in with this Abby's powder in NC4 for the rest of my face, so that will be under my contour and my chin. And then after that, I'm using my NC3 still Abby's invisible powder just for to dust off that excess powder. Now I'm using NC3 because I like my under eyes light, so that gives me the lightness that I want under my eyes. And see how that powder just dusts off. I'm starting using my Scandinavia and then use this Red Beauty Press highlighter for, yeah, I think I went in too much. So I dusted it off and then I blended it on my chin, the highest point of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, forehead, yeah, you know, all that. And then I'm going to pop some into my inner corner just to open up my eyes a bit, and then also of course onto the brow bone. I love this step especially because it just makes the brows pop more. I'm using my So Aesthetics blush, and I'm just going to blend in between my highlights and contour. Blushes just always bring the look together. I'm going in with this City Color City Chick lip liner. I'm going to properly line my lips and then go in with my Black Secret Lip Tastic. This is in tomato red. It's a blue red, a blue toned red. So it's just really pretty. It's, you know, I like how it matched with the lip liner. It looked very, very nice. So yeah, let me just stop talking now because I have snatched this face. Let me just let you, you know, take this beauty in. Just, yeah, take it all in, okay? Yes, I'm serving face. I am serving face. You better take it or take it. Ah, I just love how this look came out. I love, love, love it. Anyway, I'll see you at the end of the video. Just enjoy, okay? Enjoy, 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 enjoy. I was just feeling myself. Yes, sis. That brings us to the end of the video. How do you think the look came out? How do you like it? How do you not like it? Just leave a comment in the comment section, okay? And oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons for notifications anytime I post a video. And like this video too, why not? Don't just leave without watching any of my other videos, please. Just go to the next video and watch and watch. But hey, I hope you learned something, because this is the purpose, to be able to, you know, teach one or two. If you didn't learn everything, at least just one thing, I hope you did. Also, let me know if you did in the comment section below. And so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye. So I don't know if you noticed, but after the makeup I kept looking here. So I have a mirror to the side, I have the screen here, and then the camera. And oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I slayed this. I'm looking good. I am looking good. You cannot tell me anything, okay? Okay.